Hello everyone, I want to convey one important information to all of you. Exam Prep Tool started one new course, that is C++ language in 20 days by IITian and FAANG employee. Started this course. In 20 days you can learn these two languages. Right? Next one is, and one more thing is 100 problems. 100 problems, right? We will explain with the concept. 100 problems we will explain with the concept. One more 100 problems practice we will give, followed by we will explain those also. In the similar way, C++ also 100 problems with the concept, with the real-time coding, and one more 100 problem for practice purpose. Total 400 problem for C and C++ language. Within 20 days you will get the clarity. Because many of my students are asking, sir, where to learn this language, where to learn that language. So we started this new course depending upon the students' demand. Right? Many students are asked me. So please utilize this wonderful opportunity so that you no need to say anywhere, I don't know this language, I don't know that language. It is a wonderful opportunity to you. Within 10 days C language, within 10 days C++ language. Right? Wish you all the best. See you in the class.